What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I am at Ruby Star Garage here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen that I hit something on the road a couple months ago and my PPF got damaged, but I never showed you guys me getting it fixed. So I'm out here at Ruby Star. We're gonna get the front bumper fixed again, and then we're gonna show you the benefits of PPF. A lot of you guys ask me where I get my PPF done and things like that, so you got to go to the experts. Right here, as you can see, this is where it got hit, and I also got hit in the taillight, but it came off the hood and then the mirror. But this piece right here, let me get a little closer. This piece right here scratched the PPF, but it didn't go through to get to my paint. If I didn't have PPF on it, it would have gone through and scratched the paint. So we're gonna show you guys some durability tests, the installation process as well. You guys won't see this anymore. PPF is completely removed, and as you can see here, it did not go through the film. This is one of the reasons why you have to get PPF. Clearly protects your paint. So we're gonna reapply it, and we're gonna show you guys that process. They went ahead and prepped the car just a little bit. Since it had PPF, they didn't have to do any paint correction or anything like that. But we did notice that the previous shop actually cut my bumper. So that's why you guys gotta make sure you go to the right spot, because after we removed the original PPF, we noticed there were cuts in the bumper. That kind of ticks me off a little bit, but Ruby Star is gonna take care of it. This is the main guy, Nick, right here, helping me out, because obviously you guys saw that I hit something on the road and they were gonna take care of the PPF here and show you guys the benefits of it. And honestly, this is one of the cleanest shop I've ever seen in my life. It's super clean. When I got here, he was cleaning the floors. Like, that's the type of work that they do here.
We specialize on sport and enthusiast cars PPF. We are XPEL certified shop, and what makes us different, we do the seamless PPF installations. Every installation is backed up by a 10-year warranty. Right now we're in the middle of the process of doing the front bumper for this M3. We'll show you the result.
We're gonna do something crazy on the car when the PPF is installed, so don't freak out, guys. It's gonna show you why you need this.
As I mentioned before, we issue 10-year warranty with every XPEL installation. So if anything happens to your film, any yellowing stains, you just bring it back and we take care of it. As well, as I told, we do the seamless PPF installation. We check in 2 weeks after installation if everything is good, if PPF sticks properly, and as well we do annual PPF checkups. So once a year you bring the car, we check it. If anything is damaged, we need to replace it, or if anything happened to the seams, so we take care of them.
So that's actually something that the other shop did not do for me. They did not check it 2 weeks after. They did not, well, I haven't reached a year yet, but I didn't get any paperwork either. I'm not gonna drop the name like I said earlier because I'm not gonna, you know, talk bad about a business, but I'm just gonna talk about the ones that you have to go to, and that's Ruby Star for sure.
So to every customer, when we do the PPF job or any other, we issue certificate of authenticity that we give along with the warranty. And you know, just simple small bonuses like lanyards,
License plate
frame, yeah. And this is the magic bottle.
What's that? What's the magic bottle?
It magically holds the temperature. It's like a thermal.
Oh, thermal. That's cool. That's very neat. I like that. Damn, that feels good too. Yeah, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, but I mean, these are small details that matter.
Yeah, that's what it's about. It's all about the details, guys. The PPF is completely installed. Obviously, some bubbles are gonna dry up with the sun and things like that. But it's time for the fun part. You guys can see this. This is a wire brush, and I'm gonna do the unthinkable here. We're gonna show you how PPF reacts to me scratching my own car. You guys ready? Anyway?
Yep.
Oh my, listen to that. That just hurts. All right, I can, that's it. That's good. Jeez.
All the PPF that we install is self-healing. You guys seen a ton of videos when they remove all the small scratches with a heat gun, but I'm gonna show you something harder. So this is gonna actually damage the PPF, but the good thing, we're gonna remove it and it's gonna be completely safe. Ready? So this type of scratches, there's gonna be like damaging, you know, the PPF itself.
That hurt to watch. Yeah, you could definitely see it.
Let's remove it right now.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's just water.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nothing went through to the paint.
Yep. Now it's time to do like the durability test. Here, grab the other end. So you can pretty see that how thick it is, right? Even if you take like the screwdriver, I'm gonna try to, like, you know, break through. You can try to rip it off. You have to apply like a lot of strength.
That's a lot of force. That was very brave. That kind of hurt to even watch, but obviously those are the benefits of PPF.
Yeah, if you guys want to have your car protected, it saves you money, saves the value of the car, and keeps your headache away from trying to figure out where to repaint it. It's gonna be reported in Carfax. You know, it's like the basic thing that's just causing a lot of pain. So get your car protected. For the subscribers of Another Pool, we have a promo code. So whenever anybody wants to do the PPF, just put the promo code POOL and we get you. So we're gonna do the special price instead of regular price of $2,500 for front PPF. We are giving the price of $1,900 for the full front.
Oh, nice.
And for the full body, if you want to do something like, for example, M3, right? So basically the price is like $8,000 and we can do it for $6,000.
That's a great deal, guys.
Drive protected.
Drive protected. And you guys saw what happened to my car. Thank God I had PPF already, but they did it right. They found actually cuts in the bumper from the previous installer. I didn't have the paperwork for the warranty. They're gonna take care of you guys. I'm gonna leave their information down below, their Instagram, phone number, address, all of that, so you guys can contact them. Make sure you mention that you watched this video so you could get that special discount that he just mentioned. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know any questions that you guys have. I'll help you guys out. Peace.